By default, an untitled design file will always display when the Autodesk Fusion 360 application is running. Opening additional designs can be accomplished in multiple ways. The first method is by navigating to the designs on the data panel and then double-clicking on the desired design. The second method is by clicking the file icon on the application bar and then selecting Open. On the Open dialog box, it is possible to select designs that are stored in the cloud or designs that are saved on your local device. Once the desired design is selected, click on the Open button. Ctrl-O on a PC or Command-O on a Mac can also be used as a shortcut to open a design file. Similarly, there are several ways to save a design. Method 1 is by clicking the File button on the application bar and then selecting Save. On the Save dialog box, you can specify the name for the design and the location where it will be saved, and then click the Save button. Method 2 is by clicking the Save button on the application bar and then following the same procedure outlined in the previous method. Ctrl-S on a PC or Command-S on a Mac can also be used as a shortcut to save a design file. Note that by default, all files that are saved in Autodesk Fusion 360 are stored in the cloud. To save a copy to a local device, click the File button on the application bar and then select Export. On the Export dialog box, specify a name for the design file and select the file type. This will default to the native format, which has a file extension of .f3d. Once all the desired settings have been specified, click the Export button to export the file. And finally, closing a design is accomplished by clicking the X on the File tab. Note that this is the only way to close a design.